Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you how you can make your desktop clean and professional. By the end of this video you'll be able to change the look of your desktop from this to this. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So first up, let's hide the desktop icons. For that, right click view and uncheck show desktop icons. Now let's change the background. Go to the Microsoft Store and install Lively Wallpaper. Once it's done, click on Open. Click on this rainy wallpaper and customize it with our background image. Click on Customize and select the image file. I'll leave a link to this image file in the description. We have successfully changed our background. Now let's add some widgets. For that, search for B widgets in the Microsoft Store. Once it's installed, open it. Click on New Widgets. Give it a name and click on Customize. Set the width to 400. You can set the preferences as you like. In Appearance, set the transparent background. Set the font size to 85. Change the font to something bold. After that, drag the widget to the center top. Add another widget for the date. Click on Customize. Set the background to transparent. And font size to 15. Align with the time widget. Let's add another widget for the weather. Click on Customize and check these boxes. Set the background to transparent. Change the city. And that's it for the widgets. Now let's customize our taskbar. Open the Microsoft Store and install this app. Click on Open and continue. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.